We are constantly working to improve our selection to ensure that you get only the highest quality products at the best prices. The Black Widow heavy-duty 4-beam aluminum folding motorcycle ramp is no exception. Stronger and more reliable than its predecessor, the 4-beam construction with larger diameter rungs supports loading and unloading your bike better than ever. While other companies remain content with the 3-beam design that can sag and potentially fail, we at DiscountRamps.com firmly believe that you deserve the peace of mind that comes with a superior ramp. This new 4-beam design easily supports up to 1,500 pounds without bending at all, ensuring you years of reliability when loading your motorcycle.